Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix headphone mic not working on Discord. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If your headphone microphone is not working on Discord, you can try the following troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. So the first method would be ensure that your headphones are properly connected to your PC or device. If your headphones have a detachable microphone, make sure it's securely plugged in. Next method, in Windows, right-click on the speaker icon in the system tray and choose Open Sound Settings, and make sure your headphones are set as the default communication device under the Choose Your Output Device and Choose Your Input Device sections. Next method, open Discord and go to User Settings, the gear icon, Voice and Video. Verify that the correct input device, headphone microphone, is selected under the Input Device section. Another method, in Discord settings, under Voice and Video, disable the option for automatically determine input sensitivity. Manually set the sensitivity level. Another method, close Discord completely and reopen it. A simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary microphone issues. Next method, visit Discord's official status page or community forums to check if there are any ongoing outages or known issues affecting voice communication. And lastly, ensure that there are no issues with your headphones or the cables. Test with a different pair of headphones to see if the problem persists. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.